Okay students, now let's do question number 1, first part, 2x plus y whole cube. Now here first term is a as 2x and b as y. So we have to substitute in this formula 2x ka whole cube plus 3 times 2x square y plus 3 times 2x y square plus y cube. Please students write it in bracket. This is the most important thing which students forgot and they will not able to do the sums properly. Now 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, it will become 8, x cube become x cube. Yes. Now in these cases, especially the middle term, first you simplify the bracket, then multiply by coefficient. 2 square will be 4, 4 into 3, 12. X ka square, x square, y. Plus, now y square, x, 3 2s are 6. Plus y cube. Understood about this? Now I will do one more part, that is I will do D part. So 2a plus 3b whole cube. Students, I am doing only the fifth, which is a plus b whole cube. Now 2a cubed plus 3 times 2a squared 3b plus 3 times 2a 3b square plus 3b whole cube. Now students, again we simplify 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 8, a cube. Now again we have to solve the bracket, squared plus 2 square become 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 3, 36, 36 a square b plus 3 square 9, 9 into 2 18, 18 into 3 54 a b square. Student, these two variables will never be same. Just remember 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, so it will be 27 b cube. This is the way you will do the sum based on this. Clear all of you? Now I will explain you how to do the sixth identity if it is negative. Now sixth identity says how to write the a minus b whole cube. Now it is very easy. You have learned in 7th standard that what will happen when the power is even and when the power is odd. Now b is negative. Now you can see in this formula power b is 1, which is odd, so this is negative. B square, it is even, so this is positive. B cubed, it is odd power, so negative. So formula will remain same, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Same formula, only b is negative, so wherever you have written b, that will be negative. When the power is odd, b is 1 power, so negative square. Y square is positive because minus into minus become plus, so this is positive. Now cube, minus minus minus, so minus minus plus, plus minus minus, so odd power will be negative in this case. Clear all of you? So write down on one page the sixth identity in continuation with all the 8 identities. So sixth as this one and we do the sum based on it.